a scarf, an orange scarf around his wiener.
Yeah. It's just like the peeing mannequin in Belgium, right? There's a peeing boy.
Yeah, but different, but also.
It's just like so. So this is a very historical place.
Because they can drive each other quickly.
Ja, dat was daar dus. Ja, nou, zie je nou hier dus hoor. Nou, dat is.
Is it a walking tour?
What?
A walking tour?
Yeah, I think, but it's maybe it's from work or so, because they have all these men of the. Oh, look at the port.
Ah, yeah.
And here also very old one. You see,
Yeah.
Amda, I don't know.
Amda.
It's very old.
Physiotherapy.
Could use a few treatments.
Yeah. Nice car. Nice car. This one. Oh, Volvo. Why?
No, just taking whatever you are. Just straight out. Still cannot go any further.
You still remember where third floor we parked the car?
Yeah, I remember.
And I don't know where exactly we are now. Are we too far from the parking lot?
You could walk. What can I say? Beautiful.
Lots of books.
Look on the left, beautiful front side here, the big one with all the white also.
Maybe that's
May I-
yeah, it's how do you count that Roman numerals?
Roman numbers,
Yeah.
but I want to read the sign.
Oh, it's nice to West in this house.
Yeah, West-Indian Company.
Nice door. Nice
Yeah.
door.
And this,
Rembrandt.
yeah,
It's only
this is really like
what?
here the West-Indian Company, yeah, the Eastern Company who did the trade with Indonesia and stuff for the and the West-Indian with Brazil and the Caribbean for goods. And they had an office here. And because of that famous admiral, he conquered from the Spanish a whole fleet of silver from South America to Spain, and he conquered that one. And this, and later on, a salesman started here sugar to clean the sugar. Yeah, you know, to clean the sugar.
To clean the sugar. Refinery?
Refinery, ja.
Okay.
Dan is er een blauw papier verpakt in suikerbrood. En de gevel ziet men een blauw papier sugar bread. And painter was born, he was a student of Rembrandt.
Oh.
This painter.
Oh.
That is the sugar bread.